Attention SYSTEME IO and GreatLife members. Learn how to request your free marketing system by watching this video. So the question is, can I build a free marketing system for your SYSTEME IO and GreatLife worldwide business? So if the answer is yes, let's get busy here. Now, whether you belong to SYSTEME IO or GreatLife already, I will build a free marketing system for you, then do free advertising for your SYSTEME IO and GreatLife business. Now, here's what you receive with your free SYSTEME IO and GreatLife marketing system. A free marketing video, just like this one, but specially coded to you to use to help build your SYSTEME IO and GreatLife business. So if you happen to be working with a prospect, just take this video and send it to them and let me do the selling for you. Free Facebook group and an AI-powered Facebook page, specially coded to you for your SYSTEME IO and GreatLife business. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to take the Facebook group that I'm going to build for you and the page, and I'm going to place those two links right here. So let's take a look at the Facebook group and page and check it out. So here's one of our free marketing members here, and you're going to have a page, Facebook group just like this one. It's going to be programmed to you. It's going to have all the keywords down here so people can find you, and you're going to be able to go out there and promote it, your Facebook group. And I have a training video that explains how to do that with these keywords. Now here's an example of a Facebook page for one of our members. Now we have programmed an AI bot, chat bot down here, so that you and I do not have to live on this page. It's automatic, where somebody can come on down here and ask a question, and this bot is going to give the answer automatically. So an example Marty did, how much does this cost? And it says the free marketing system is being offered for your business costs absolutely nothing. Okay, let's move on. You're going to get a lead capture page and follow-up emails with an autoresponder that sends out these emails to your leads, to your prospects, with your affiliate links embedded in the emails. Here's an example right here. Let's check it out. This is very simple, nice and clean, no distractions. So when they land on your lead capture page, they can go down here, click on this link, and your GreatLife World referral link is going to be embedded in this little image here. And then if they want a free marketing system like you have, your SYSTEME IO funnel link is going to be embedded in this image here. That's it. Simple. By the way, you can take this lead capture page and you can use it in your own marketing. You can post it on Facebook or all those social networking sites you have out there, solo ads, etc., etc. This is it. That's all you need to build your business, is just the simple little lead capture page, programmed to you. A live training room where you can receive help for promoting your free SYSTEME IO and GreatLife marketing system, and meet your downline in a private message area in that live training room. Pre-made blog articles allowing you to program your SYSTEME IO referral link in each blog article. In your back office, you're going to get access to several free to join and earn programs, affiliate programs, that are ours. Marty and I have built these from scratch, and we manage these. They've been around a long time. You can create multiple streams of income, and what I'm going to do is then when you get that blog with all the those programs, affiliate programs, programmed with your referral link, I'm going to take your link and put it right here in your description of your marketing video. So let's take a look. So in your back office, you're going to be given instructions on how to join and then remove the link and place your link in here. And as you can see, there are a lot of affiliate programs. A lot of them are 5 levels deep. Some are 2 levels deep. In fact, we have one that's 15 levels deep. Like I said, most of them are free to join. Here's your multiple income right here. That's going to be programmed into your free marketing system. You're going to have access to the training videos on how to explode your SYSTEME IO and GreatLife downline by offering free marketing systems to other businesses, which includes the 300,000 plus SYSTEME IO members. Now, GreatLife has thousands of members. Each one of these GreatLife members needs what you have, what you're looking at right now. A free marketing system like this one. Of course, this is where the Facebook group is. You've seen this one already. Example. Okay. And of course, I'm going to be placing your Facebook group link right here. Imagine if you could get only 1% of, let's say, and there again, I have no idea how many members are in GreatLife, so I'm just guesstimating, all right? Let's say 100,000 members to request your free SYSTEME IO marketing system for their GreatLife opportunity. So that would be about 1% times 100,000. That would be 1,000 members placed in your SYSTEME IO downline, where you could receive passive commissions 2 levels deep from your SYSTEME IO downline. Now, for those who do not belong to SYSTEME IO, this is a great marketing tool where you're going to use it to offer your prospects, those people that are on the fence, and say, hey, listen, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to build a free marketing system for you if you join underneath me in SYSTEME IO and or GreatLife. So it's a great incentive to have prospects join under you, letting them know you will get them started with a free marketing system for their SYSTEME IO and GreatLife business like you have. But it doesn't stop there. You'll find a few business offers that are perfect for building your SYSTEME IO downline. And I've kind of highlighted and read some of the big ones out there. And those are good, great prospects. ClickFunnels, those are the competitor. SYSTEME IO is a competitor of ClickFunnels. But these are some of the biggies out there that you can go after and say, hey, I'll build a free marketing system for your prosperity marketing system. Come and join me. So the question is your business listed above? Any MLM, any ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any affiliate program are there perfect prospects to get them in with you in your SYSTEME IO business. Now, once you get into the live training room, you can request free advertising for your free SYSTEME IO and GreatLife business. Go here, request your free marketing system for your SYSTEME IO and GreatLife business, whether you are a member or not. In other words, if you're a member of SYSTEME IO already, not a problem. We're still going to build a marketing system for you. If you're a member of GreatLife already, not a problem. We're still going to build a marketing system for your GreatLife business. So when I build a free marketing system for you, I will program your SYSTEME IO GreatLife referral links into a lead capture page, just like this one here, which I've shown you already. Okay, no one offers a free marketing system for any money-making opportunity out there like we offer. With that said, this is Harvey the Sober Fox. Join. I'll be waiting for you in the live training room, ready to do free marketing for your SYSTEME IO and GreatLife business.